The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern West Feliciana Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Northwestern Pointe Coupee Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Wilkinson County in southern Mississippi, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dupont to near Bayou Current, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Adams, Dolorosa, Lettsworth, and Batchelor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central following parishes in Louisiana, Pointe Coupee and West Feliciana, and Wilkinson, Mississippi.